Do y'all see this part? Do y'all see this part? Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a wig review on the unit Camryn by It's a Wig. This is my first time having this particular unit, but not my first time having a wig by that company. So before I show you guys how the wig looks outside of the pack, I just want to talk about the cap really quickly. So the packaging is pretty standard, you know, the stock card, plastic, and then a net. And then this is how the hair looks directly out of the pack. The curls or the wave are super defined and uniform. That's pretty common throughout all synthetic wigs. So I just shook it out and played with it and ran my hands through it. The parting looks about 3.5 to 4 inches long. I'm actually super impressed by this parting because it goes so far back. A lot of synthetic wigs stop dead in the center or like halfway through and it looks really wiggy. So on the inside of the wig it has 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and then 2 adjustable straps. I'm not using any combs at all. I just hooked the adjustable straps together and placed it on my head. And the cap is super snug, like not snug to where it hurts, but it fits very comfortably, and I feel really secure wearing it right now. So I know I already showed you guys a stock card, but here it is again. So it says it's a lace center part and the most realistic parting. You guys can kind of be the judge of that. And then it also says that it's iron friendly, safe up to 350 through 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't plan on putting any heat on this wig. Putting heat on synthetic wigs is just a disaster waiting to happen. The back of the stock card also talks about the wig care and washing tips. Once this wig gets raggedy, I'm throwing it away. It also says that it's tangle free, but when I ran my hands through it, I wouldn't say that it was tangling, but it did snatch a little bit and then a few hairs came out. This is how much hair came out when I plucked the part. It did come with baby hairs right here. I took them off because it had like the black knots at the very front of the part and I hate that wiggy look, so I took those out. I began to like create my own, but I feel like I like it better like this. It looks like a sleek middle part with not much manipulation to it or fakeness to it. It still looks like a wig to me, but this is actually the most realistic I've ever gotten a part. So in the inside I put some Sally Hansen leg makeup on it, and then I just went through on the top and put some really cheap pressed powder. So my first thoughts, I really like the wig. I'm sure it will get matted very quickly. I can just tell by the texture.
1 week later.
So I wanted to interrupt the video really fast. I was about to start editing it, but it's been exactly a week since I recorded the video for this wig. And I just want to come on here and give you a super honest review about this wig. So it's only been a week that I've had this in. And I don't know if y'all can tell, but like, mind you, it's synthetic. I get it. I know that. I know that it's going to tangle. The packaging does claim that it is tangle free though. So that was a lie. But like the hair is really pretty. The curl is really pretty. But the fibers in this are like, can y'all see this? It looks like I'm just not kept. Like it's poofy for no reason. I don't sleep in it. Like I haven't, you know, been throwing it around or going like this with it. It's literally just been poofing up for no reason. And I'm going to show you guys the inside of the cap and then close out the video. And mind you, this morning it was like super bunched up right here. I expect that with synthetic wigs, but I mean, I don't sleep in it or anything and it's like this. And I'm really upset because it's only been a week and I wanted at least 2.5 weeks of wear out of this. So, oh well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.